Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate MetaMask with a hardware wallet detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that you have your hardware wallet ready. Connect your hardware wallet to your computer. Open the MetaMask extension in your browser. If you don't have MetaMask installed, download it from the official website. Create a new wallet or open your existing wallet in MetaMask. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the MetaMask menu. Select the option to connect a hardware wallet. Choose the type of hardware wallet you are using, such as Ledger or Trezor. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed with the connection. Once prompted, open the wallet app on your hardware device. Make sure your hardware wallet is set to the correct connection mode. Allow the application on your hardware wallet to connect with MetaMask. Confirm any permissions on your hardware wallet when asked. MetaMask will scan for available wallets connected to your hardware device. Select the account you wish to import into MetaMask. Click Unlock after selecting the account. Your hardware wallet account will now be visible in MetaMask. You can manage your assets directly through the MetaMask interface. Always ensure your hardware wallet remains connected while using it with MetaMask. When finished, disconnect your hardware wallet safely. Close the MetaMask extension if not in use. Regularly back up your recovery phrases for both MetaMask and your hardware wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.